Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a person swimming. So swimming as in, I'll be showing some foreshortening. So legs over here and head over here and hand right here at the front. So not a whole lot of foreshortening, but yes, some foreshortening. So you'll determine the point, the perspective point, somewhat like that. So it's like a person like flying. So this pose can also double as a flying pose, but essentially we are doing a free stroke swimming pose. So we'll start with the hand that will land somewhere here, go back, elbow, and as you see like that, I put that bigger, but it might not come out as that to that size, but we will determine that as you go along, sketching out the details. And at a certain angle, just put in the shoulders like that, and head a bit to the side like this. If you Google some pictures, you will see that there's a lot of I believe there's a lot of material out there that could help in trying out different like swimming poses. And then just go backwards, so the frame is going right like that and ending somewhere here, and then real foreshortening on the leg back there. That is, I mean, depending on how we want to show it. And one of the legs is going to go in the front because, as I said, like this is a freestyle pose and the legs are like flapping like a little bit back and forth, so kind of like a paddle. And then we have one arm tucked somewhere here with the hand here. So as you can see, like foreshortening right there. And we start off by putting in a bell shape. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the thumb will be here. So let's just put out the hand. Give a little character there by opening up that index finger and the middle finger a little bit. And okay, so hand is done. We go backward to the elbow and bicep right there, and then there, of course, the raised delt. Shoulder, other delt going into the pec there, and the collar bone structure coming down, pec rounding off, some abs. If you may, swimmers usually, like people who either are like athletes or who swim regularly, I think mostly have a noticeable and fit layout in terms of the body and the level of fitness. So I am putting in significantly shorter other hand going backward like that. So I said that this is like there will be foreshortening, and we have foreshortening here. And I'm putting in the head. Now I know that this is kind of like a flying pose itself, which is why if you check it out, like many artists actually go with a lot of skiing, and we have actually done some videos too ourselves focusing on that aspect of it, like where we use athletics to determine like superhuman sketches in terms of action. And swimming is definitely one of those things. For instance, the fly. I'm talking about the fly, like I'm talking about the move, which is called the fly. So, or the fly stroke, the butterfly stroke. Sorry, the butterfly stroke is often, I believe, even now, used as a source for a spread eagle type of superhero pose. So I'm giving this guy some speedos and a bit of the knee showing right there. And here you could either, the moment you give him goggles, you will make him into a swimmer and a swimming cap. So right there, so I'm putting in some details for the nose, and has just that little expression there. Have some bubbles coming up, some water like swirling around him, and I mean, again, that water is an entirely different detail. You could show in those swimming rope demarcations underwater, and some, like, you know, water here, and you will have yourself a freestyle swimmer. And I did mention that yes, this can double as, which is why I essentially did it from this angle. So this can double as a flying pose, and it can definitely be a swimming pose, and add the details as you wish, because under light the rules are not much different, but just a tad bit different in terms of the intensity of the shadow that is cast, depending on how the light is reflecting into the water. So thank you for watching. I hope this was of some help. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.